How we doing, everybody? It is a beautiful day here at the Cheesy Moon Workshop. It is Sunday afternoon. I want to go over a couple things we picked up yesterday. Had a great day out with my beautiful wife. We hit yard sales and estate sales, and one sale, I'm going to go ahead and do a little plug here. We went to this sale. It was a fundraising yard sale and didn't have any knives, but there were some other odds and ends we picked up at this just to help it out. This was a fundraiser for Ashley's house. Ashley's house is a home. You can screenshot that if you're interested. They're building a home for female veterans. It's a 4,000 square foot home for women who are homeless and or at risk of becoming homeless. And I'll show you this QR code. You can go get some information there. Take a screenshot of the code there. This is not a long term. This is like a short term. Hold you over for a month or so, whatever, till you can get, other things squared away. But this Ashley was a young lady who lost her life in the war, and so they named this house for these transitioning veterans in her name. Very cool thing. I believe there's a movie coming out about her, but I don't know. I haven't scanned this, but maybe you can scan that code and learn more about Miss Ashley and her story. So I told him I would share that. Wasn't a stellar knife day, but it wasn't a complete bust. First thing I picked up, not a knife, just another little 6-foot ruler. This is probably replacing the one of my others that I call my favorites, because this has big enough numbers for my old eyes to see pretty good. They're made in USA. It doesn't say who made it, it just says made in USA, but typical 6-foot ruler. Picked up a blade holder, this little wood handle blade holder. They come in pretty handy. I like the feel of those sometimes better than a box knife. And then I got this little small box cutter type knife, little aluminum sleeve. So I got those, and this old electrician's knife. The screwdriver part is broken. Snapped off, and it's probably too thick to be used as a screwdriver, so I may square that up, clean it up, and actually sharpen it and actually make another blade out of that. Zero snap. It's pretty crusty. It's an old Camco. Camco was the budget version of Camillus. But it'll, as you can see, it's in desperate need of a cleanup, but it'll be a fun project. Okay, all that was $2. Okay, so I didn't go too bad with that. And then when I asked the fellow if he had any other knives, he says, I got one with a longer blade, if you're interested. And I'm sure, why not? And he came out with this dirty, nasty, funky Kershaw. This is very much like the one I traded a few weeks ago. It's not terrible inside. This stuff that's on here. I can kind of scratch it off, so it should clean up pretty nice. This one was made in Japan. So I was pretty happy. I gave the guy $5 for this one. It hasn't been butchered too bad. It has been sharpened, but they didn't do a terrible job on it. They didn't run it through some god-awful meat grinder sharpener, but great snap. Nice lock back, nice and tight. Very happy to have paid $5 for this one. And I love those 110 size folding hunter shaped lockbacks. They're just awesome. So all right there, that was $7. So not too bad of a haul for that one yard sale. We'll set those off camera. Then we're going to look at this other little knife. Great little knife. I don't think I have one of this size, especially not in this good a shape. This thing is like brand new. I don't know the name of this one. I believe they call it the 91 millimeter knife. It is just very simple blade, fingernail file, scissors, which were meant for trimming your fingernails. Super snappy. And the tweezers and toothpick. It's in this little plastic sheath. I may make it a little leather sheath just for fun. But that was that's like brand new. So that was pretty good. And then this old knife here. This is a Kutmaster. It's pretty rough shape. The blade's been whittled down some, but not horrible. Plenty of mileage left on that one. I've been using I'm talking to people on knives, the tire analogy or car analogy. When they say, yeah, that's a great old knife, and yeah, but how many miles does it have on it? This is a fairly, not too bad a mileage on this knife. As far as the blades, I'll square this one up a little bit, clean them up. This blade has a fair amount of snap prior to cleaning. 0 on that one, I had to push it shut. 0 on that one, but that may come back. But it's, not in too bad a shape. And I was $10 in on those two. So my day of knife shopping, I'm $17 into basically these 4 knives. If I sell it, that's a $30 knife. That would be a $10 or $15 knife. I don't know, maybe more. Probably a $20 knife, and nothing. I'm not even going to try to sell somebody this this old electrician knife that I'll modify as a work knife. But all in all, not too bad a day. I'm going to do separate cleanup videos. One on this one here and one on this one. This is going to clean up and be absolutely beautiful. Love the bone, jigged bone on here. These bolsters are cleaned up nice. This I know will clean up because the backside is not too bad. I don't know what. I don't know if that's like dust from the workshop or something that just, layered on there, but it will clean off. You can see on my nail there. So there we go, $17 worth of yard sale knives, including these other gizmos and gadgets. There you go, guys. Short of content, so these are going to be my next 2 videos I do. And don't forget, Ellaville Knife Show coming up on the 16th. It's like 3 weeks away. super excited to go there and meet some folks and meet Kevin in person, meet some other folks in person. It's going to be an awesome day, and hopefully I'll be able to maybe meet a couple people ahead of time. I don't know what time people are coming into town, but maybe we can grab a cup of coffee or something while we're up there. I'll be there Thursday and Friday, Saturday and Sunday, and leaving Monday. And I'm staying over in Pine Mountain. Can't wait, guys. 16th, Ellaville Knife Show. Go over there to Knife Doctor and watch his channel. He's got all the info and details on that. So there we go. Until I see you again, please remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and above all, have a beautiful day.